Shivaya. We are going to continue where we stopped during our regular classes. Chapter 1 Electric Charges and Fields, in which 1.11 Electric Dipole we are going to discuss. What is an electric dipole and how to derive the expression for the field of an electric dipole at a point on the axis, at a point on the equatorial line. Let us ask a question. What is a dipole? A dipole is a combination of two equal and opposite point charges. When two equal and opposite point charges are separated at a distance 2a, we can call that setup as a dipole. Di means two, you know very well. And when two equal and opposite charges are separated by a small, very small distance 2a, we can get that. This dipole we are going to use widely in our daily life also. Microwave oven and the devices like Xerox machine and all, they are using the principle of electrostatics. The electric dipole we would be discussing later part, that what are polar molecules and non-polar molecules and all. You must have studied in chemistry also. So this is what is called a dipole. Two equal and opposite point charges separated at a small distance, we can say. For instance, here we can say that this distance is, here we have kept as 2d, actually it is 2a, it is given in our textbook. We can give this 2a. When two equal and opposite charges separated at a very small distance 2a, we will cross this d, and 2a, that setup is what is called dipole. So it is by convention we say that the distance between the two equal and opposite charges is 2a. Hope you can recall the distance between the two poles in a magnet is termed as 2l. There the magnetic dipole, here electric dipole. There the magnetic length was 2l, here the the electric dipole, length of electric dipole, or the distance between the electric dipole is 2a. And what are the properties of this setup, we can say? The first one, an electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite point charges q and minus q separated at a small distance 2a. The line connecting the two charges define the direction in space. The direction of dipole, when we say, the direction of dipole is always, by convention again, is considered from minus q to plus q. So if you want to ask a question, what is the direction of the dipole, we can say the direction of the dipole is from minus q to plus q. Then in that case, the midpoint, we can say, the midpoint in the sense, here we can say the midpoint. The midpoint is normally we will call as O, or the center of the dipole. If we consider this distance as 2a and this is the middle part, then we can say this distance can be considered as a, and this distance can also be considered as a. And a we can say as 2a. 2a is the distance between them. Well, the direction, again I am saying the direction is minus q to plus q. And the total charge of the dipole is 0. You know very well why it is 0. The total charge is 0. The reason is one is plus q and another one is minus q. It doesn't mean that there is no field at all. The field of electric dipole is 0. Since the charge plus q and minus q are separated by a distance, the electric field due to them, when added, they do not cancel each other. But at a distance, when we consider a point r which is much greater than the distance between the two dipole. What is the distance between the two dipole? The distance between the two dipole we say as 2a. If when we consider a point somewhere here or here, where R is much greater than 2A, then the electric field, there are some points where the electric field due to these two charges they cancel out, which means there is a resultant electric field is zero, but it is not that there is no electric field. The electric field will be there, but they cancel each other, we can say that. Okay, so these are the basic points of electric dipole. Then electric field due to dipole, it varies the distance, you know very well. It varies with the distance. We can say that it is almost like varies 1 by, that is inversely varying with R square, that is the dependence on R of the field due to single charge Q. These qualitative ideas are borne out by the explicit calculations. We have to do the calculation and all. And we are going to discuss two expressions. For instance, when we see that there is a point, we can say center of the dipole O, the line joining these two equal and opposite charges can be called as axis of the dipole, we can say axis of the dipole. And we have one more point, what is called the equatorial point line. Equatorial line is the line which is passing through the center of the dipole. This plane is what is called the equatorial line. Equatorial line. Equatorial line. So now we know very well what is equatorial line and all. The equatorial line is the line which is passing through the center of the dipole, and this line, horizontal line, we can say that is axis of dipole. We are going to find out what is the expression for electric field at this point, or here or here or here, anywhere. That is what is called, the point lies on the equatorial line, which is going to be discussed as a second part. The first part we are going to discuss what is the electric field at a point on the axial line, here, somewhere here or here or here, like that we can say, but not in between that, and we will find somewhere. And if you want to find out, we can find out, but we will not do that. Rather, let me draw that this is plus q, we can say this is minus q. This is plus q and minus q. When we see, this is the line which is joining the two charges. Somewhere here I will find out what is the electric field and what is the expression for electric field and all. That is our first discussion. In the second discussion, what we will be doing is, we will be doing what is the electric field at a point on the equatorial line. Equatorial line. So, shall we wind up the first part? An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite point charges q and minus q. It is separated by a distance 2a. The line joining the two charges gives us the direction of the dipole. The direction of the dipole by convention is taken as minus q to plus q. The midpoint is the center point of the dipole. On either side we will be getting a and a distance. The total charge of the dipole is 0. It doesn't mean that at the same time we have to keep in your mind that the field of the electric field dipole is not 0. They cancel out. When they will cancel out? When the distance r from the dipole is much greater than the distance between the dipole to A. Okay. Just to go through the page number 27 under electric dipole, and you will have to take the test. After going through the YouTube links, you can take the test. Om Namah Shivaya.